I will now show you how to set up precision limits. Precision limits are essential for when you're collecting your data. These limits determine if the data you're collecting meet the specification of the site or of the work you're doing. If you have certain specifications that must be met when you're collecting your data on site, this is where you would set them. Let's proceed to check how you set your precision limits. We have already connected to our Rover. We'll go under Survey, and we're also on the project that we have already created. We'll go on Plus to collect points, and then we'll select on Settings. Then we will put on Precision Limit. There is a precision limit for horizontal and vertical. For this example, we'll set our precision limit to 2 centimeters and our vertical limit to 3 centimeters. This ensures that if the precision on the horizontal is greater than 2 centimeters, then we will not be allowed to measure a point. Or if the precision on the vertical exceeds 3 centimeters, then we will not be able to measure a point. We'll select on Save. As you can see, our horizontal precision limit currently is 1.4 centimeter and on the vertical is 1.7. This means that it meets the specifications that we have set. We are now able to measure. This is how you go about setting your precision limit.